Give your attendance. What is the source of hereditary informations in the cell? What is the source of hereditary information in the cell? What is the source of hereditary information in the cell? What is the source of hereditary information in the cell? DNA. What is the source of hereditary information in the cell? DNA. Who coined the term gene? 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 The term gene was coined by Johansen in 1909. Name two dominant characters in pea plant. 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 Write the two dominant characters. Pratishtha, Asu, Bej, Ashish. Tallness. Round and yellow. Yes, tallness and round and yellow. Very good, Ashish. Next. What is the monohybrid ratio? What is the monohybrid ratio? The ratio of monohybrid cross is dash. The ratio of monohybrid cross is dash. The ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1. Good. The ratio of dihybrid cross. The ratio of dihybrid cross. The ratio of dihybrid cross is 9:3:3:1. Which type of reproduction causes greater diversity? Which type of reproduction causes greater diversity? Sexual or asexual type of reproduction? Which type of reproduction causes greater diversity? Sexual reproduction, very good. Write the sex chromosome in woman and man. Write the sex chromosome in woman and man. Write the sex chromosome in man and woman. Sex chromosome. Very good. XX in woman and XY woman. 23 mu pachane how many pair? There are two types of chromosomes. What are they? There are two types of chromosome in human body. What are they? There are two types of chromosome in human body. What are they? Sex chromosome and autosomes. Sex chromosome 1 pair, autosome is 22 pairs. Name the biological term used to show difference among individuals. Name the biological term used to show difference among individuals. Name the biological term used to show difference among individuals. Name the biological term used to show difference among individuals. Genotype. Independent inheritance of two separate traits, shape and color of seeds in Mendel's cross on pea plants resulted in an observable ratio of 3:1 9:3:3:1, 1:1, 9:4:4, 2:1. Again, question: independent inheritance of two separate traits, shape and color of seeds in Mendel's pea plants resulted in a observable ratio. 9:3:3:1. Good. A cross between a tall plant capital T and short plant small t resulted in progeny that were all tall plants in dash F1 progeny or F2 progeny, first filial generation or second filial generation. A cross between pure tall TT and pure dwarf small t. The resulting progeny were all tall plants in F1 generation or F2 generation. So, F1 progeny pratishtha. Any answer from anyone? Any other answer? So, F1 progeny, very good. In first filial generation, the resulting progeny were tall or dominant. A zygote that has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into a dash girl, boy, either boy or girl. A zygote that has an X chromosome, very good, female. Next question: in pea plant, a pure tall plant capital T is crossed with a pure short plant small t. The ratio of pure tall plants to pure short plants in F2 generation will be dash 1:3, 3:1, 1:1, 2:1. No, question again. Asu, you are wrong. My question is that in peach, a pure tall plant capital T is crossed with a pure short plant small t. The ratio of pure tall plants to pure short plant, pure tall to pure short ratio is 1:1. Pure tall plant होची गोटे हाइब्रिड tall थिला दीटा आउ गोटे प्योर ड्वार्फ थिला बा प्योर शॉर्ट थिला. प्योर टॉल टू प्योर शॉर्ट रेशियो है 1:1. जदि आम टॉल टू शॉर्ट कहवा ताले 3:1. से टॉल भितर गोटे प्योर टॉल एंड हाइब्रिड टॉल इज 2. टोटाल टॉल थिले 3. मु कहि प्योर टॉल टू प्योर शॉर्ट रेशियो केते इन F2 जनरेशन. प्योर टॉल टू प्योर शॉर्ट रेशियो है 1:1. जदि टॉल टू शॉर्ट को 3:1. question. Why is the progeny always tall when a tall pea plant is crossed with a short pea plant? Why is the progeny is always tall when a tall pea plant is crossed with a short pea plant? ମୁଁ ତାର ଆନ୍ସର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରୁଛି। ଗୋଟେ ଟଲ୍ ପି ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ସର୍ଟ ପି ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ସହିତ କ୍ରସ୍ କଲାବେଳେ ତାର ପ୍ରୋଜେନି ବା F1 ଜେନେରେସନ୍ର ଯେଉଁ ରେଜଲ୍ଟିଂ ପ୍ରୋଜେନି ସବୁବେଳେ କାହିଁକି ଟଲ୍ ହୁଏ? When a tall pea plant is crossed with a short pea plant, the resulting progeny is always tall because tall is the dominant character by dominant trait and short is the recessive trait. Therefore, the dominant trait which express itself in the progeny सबले गोटे progeny रे resulting progeny रे dominant टा सबले express करे so that when a tall pea plant is crossed with a short pea plant, the resulting progeny is always expressed tall, dominant. Why did Mendel carry out an experiment to study inheritance of two traits in garden pea? Mendel कहीं एक्सपेरिमेंट रे जो इनहेरिटेंस ऊपर स्टडी करते इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ टू ट्रेड्स इन गार्डन पी रा पाइजम साटाइफॉर्म से दुईटा कैरेक्टर को कहीं नईकि करते दुईटा कंट्रास्ट कैरेक्टर को कहीं नहीं करते Mendel carried out cross with two traits to see the interaction and basis of inheritance between them. In a dihybrid cross given by Mendel, it was observed that when two pairs of contrasting character were considered or were taken, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟୁ ପେୟାର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଷ୍ଟିଂ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ସେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ୟେଲୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିଙ୍କିଲ୍ ସିଡ୍ ସେପ୍ ଆଉ କଲର୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସିଡ୍ସ ସେପ୍ ଆଉ କଲର୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସିଡ୍ସ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରକୁ ନେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ ଇଚ୍ ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ଡ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଅଦର୍। और सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन क्वेश्चन भी पड़ो हाउ इज F2 progeny How is F2 progeny obtained by self-pollination of F1 progeny different from F1 progeny? Give reason for this observation. How is F2 progeny obtained by self-pollination of F1 progeny different from F1 progeny? So, which is dominant in skin color, black or white? Color उपरे हमारा मेलानिन हार्मोन उपरे डिपेंड करे। डार्क स्किन टा को डोमिनेंट कहते डार्क स्किन टा होची डोमिनेंट और लाइटेस्ट स्किन कलर को आमे तार रिसेसिव को तो पढ़ा जीवो एबीसी हिसाब रे तो कुआ जीवो तीनटा डोमिनांट एलिलिस थाए जो स्किन कलर रे डार्क कलर होची डोमिनांट आउ लाइट कलर जोटा रही सेटा होची लाइट कलर जोटा को व्हाइट कहू सेटा हला लाइट कलर सेटा हला रिसेसिव तापर distinguish between acquired and inherited traits by giving one example of each. Why are traits acquired during the lifetime of an individual, not inherited? देखो आसुर क्वेश्चन कौन गोटे थिला देख द ह्यूमन बीइंग अनदर क्वेश्चन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स who look so different from each other in terms of color सब ह्यूमन बीइंग माने परस्पर ठार अलग देखा जाती कलर हिसाब रे and size अनुसार भी अलग होती and looks are said to belong to the same species. They are different from each other in terms of color, size and looks are said to belong to the same species. Why? Human beings are said to belong the same species, sapiens. Why? Their DNA studies, number of chromosomes is same, all have a common ancestor. They interbreed among themselves to produce fertile young ones of their own kind. So that is why they are belong to the same species. Explain the mechanism of sex determination in human. Explain the mechanism of sex determination in humans. आसब से गोटे फ्लो चार्ट कर मदर्स दब एक्स मदर्स ओवर एक्स फादर्स फॉर्म एक्स वाई मदर्स लिखब एक्स एक्स फादर्स लिखब एक्स वाई मदर एक्स को फादर एक्स को आनले सेटा हो कौन मेल तापर मदर एक्स और फादर वाई हेल्ले सेटा हो बॉय सेक्स डिटरमिनेशन 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन पड़े सब Which of the following statement is incorrect? For the production of every enzyme, there is a gene. For every protein, there is a gene. For every hormone, there is a gene. For every molecule of a fat, there is a gene. Which of the following statement is incorrect? For the production of every enzyme, there is a gene. For every protein, there is a gene. For every hormone, there is a gene. For every molecule of a fat, there is a gene. Would I incorrect? D option. ठीक है. The exchange of genetic material take place in dash. Budding, asexual, sexual, vegetative. Sexual. The maleness of a child is determined by dash. The maleness of a child is determined by sex is determined by chance. The Y chromosome in the zygote, the X chromosome in the zygote, the cytoplasm of the germ cell which determines the sex. The maleness of a child is determined by dash. Sex is determined by chance. The Y chromosome in the zygote, the X chromosome in the zygote, the cytoplasm of the germ cell which determines the sex. Good. Y chromosome. The scientific name of pea plant. The scientific name of pea plant. The scientific name of pea plant. Pygium sativum. Very good. Which part of the DNA provides information for a protein? Which part of the DNA provides information for a protein? Chromosome, mitochondria, RNA, gene. Which part of the DNA provides information for a protein? Chromosome, mitochondria, RNA, gene. Name the information source for making proteins in the cell. Name the information source for making proteins in the cell. Name the information source for making proteins in the cell. Asu. Veg. Pratishtha. Name the information source for making proteins in the cells. No chromosome नहीं. Chromosome DNA which present in the chromosome. DNA which present in the chromosome of cell nucleus, which is the information source for making proteins. कार्बन कंपाउंड किसी पचार दे write the formula of ester, write the chemical formula of ester. 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 Carbon compound पचराला CH3COO CH3CH2 by C2H5 CH3COO C2H5. Write the IUPAC name of CH3CHOH. Write the IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH. Write the IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH. Ethanol. ओके ये क्वेश्चन टाक लिख कॉपी रे तापर कर देख समस्ते ए कंपाउंड ए C2H4O2 कंपाउंड नाटा को लिख कंपाउंड ना है ए जार केमिकल फॉर्मूला देली C2H4O2 reacts with sodium metal, reacts with Na metal to form a compound B and evolves a gas which burns with a pop sound. Again question, a compound A C2H4O2 reacts with sodium metal Na to form a compound B and evolves a gas which burns with a pop sound. Compound A on treatment with an alcohol C. Compound A on treatment with an alcohol C in presence of an acid. In presence of an acid forms a sweet smelling compound C4H8O2. Compound A on treatment with an compound C in presence of an acid forms a sweet smelling compound C4H8O2. On addition of sodium hydroxide NaOH to D. D means C4H8O2 gives back B and C. Identify A, B, C, D. क्वेश्चन को अगेन लिख जेन लिखिच ए कंपाउंड ए C2H4O2 reacts with sodium metal to form a compound B and evolves a gas which burns with a pop sound. Compound A on treatment with an alcohol C in the presence of an acid forms a sweet smelling compound D C4H8O2 on addition of sodium hydroxide on compound D gives back B and C. Then you have to identify A, B, C and D. समस्त क्वेश्चन लिख सकछ तो आसब कि नहीं कह मुदेवी क्वेश्चन समस्ते लिखिच कि नहीं कह आसु क्वेश्चन लिखि सकछ प्रतिष्ठा कौन इथानोइक एसिड CH3COH प्रोडक्ट बी है सोडियम इथोक्साइड सी है इथाइल अल्कोहल डी है ईस्टर इक्वेशन आसुच ना खाली सेमती कौट मारदे कि वेबसाइट कौच आसु आसु आसब आसो देख शुणु आंसर कहीदे समस्ते शुण ए कंपाउंड ए C2H4O2 reacts with the sodium metal to form a compound B and evolve a gas burning with the puff sound. ताले ए कंपाउंड को लेख जो C2H4O2 ताको लिखिबो CH3COOH एसिटिक एसिड बा इथानोइक एसिड सेटा को भांगी के लिखिबो CH3COH कार्बन दीटा पाइगल हाइड्रोजन 4टा ऑक्सीजन दीटा इथानोइक एसिड ए हला सीटा प्लस सोडियम Na गिव्स CH3COONA सोडियम एसीटेट CH3COONA प्लस H2 जो गैस टी कही से गैस टी है H2 जे पप साउंड कला आ जो बी कंपाउंड कहितला बी कंपाउंड है सोडियम एसीटेट CH3COONA तापर कहला कंपाउंड ए ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विथ an alcohol C in the presence of acid कंपाउंड ए माने किए से इथानोइक एसिड CH3COOH ट्रीटमेंट विथ एन अल्कोहल C गोटे अल्कोहल C माने किए से CH3CH2OH बा C2H5OH इथाइल अल्कोहल सो ट्रीटमेंट हम किए से एसिटिक एसिड कंपाउंड एटा C सहित कंपाउंड ए माने एसिटिक एसिड CH3COOH ट्रीटमेंट हम C2H5OH सहित अल्कोहल सहित to form a sweet smelling substance compound D sweet smelling substance compound D माने ester CH3COOC2H5 plus water formation करिवो CH3COOC2H5 ester produce ला D पुनी कहला and on addition of sodium hydroxide to D पुनी सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड D ऊपर D माने ester ईस्टर हूँ CH3COO C2H5 ता सहित NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मिक्स करदेले कौन प्रोड्यूस हम ना CH3COONA CH3COONA प्लस अल्कोहल बैक कर C माने अल्कोहल C2H5OH बैक कर बुझेला एबे बुझेला सु काली मॉर्निंग रो मैथ ट्यूशन रहबो मॉर्निंग रे मेसेज हबो बुझेला जेल रोड रे आसीबो मैथ रो सब नै की 2-3 घंटा करा दिबो सेट